This is my Halloween haunted doorbell that I got at a thrift store, I think in February or March. Pretty sure it's March. I got them for $4. Fun fact, I actually had this as a child, but then we threw it out because it broke and I got it again. It's kind of funny. It's very, very detailed, as you can see. It's got a door with a rat and some spiders on it. A little monster coming out. Some ooze. The sign says beware. Door hinges. The button's right there, in case you didn't know. Little lantern. There's the price. $4. In the back, it says it was made by Toy State. Battery compartment takes 3 AA batteries. Has a hook so you can hang it. This is what's gonna be this is what replaced the normal doorbell. It's in good condition, as you can see. And you press the button, the lantern lights up, and the monster's eyes light up, and makes a bunch of Halloween noises and stuff. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this guy. So just show him in action. Do him again. Yeah, one more time. And I thought just something funny. If you repeatedly press the button, this is what happens.